Apple's iPhone X might overwhelm the news cycle, yet Samsung is prepared to turn out all the fire firms bursting. We definitely know the organization has plans for a radical collapsing Galaxy X. Now we likewise know it's arranging a monstrous upgrade for the upcoming Galaxy S9. A Chinese legal Ice Universe has baffingly tweeted that the back of the Samsung Galaxy S9 will change a great deal. There is no development on how. However, Ice Universe has a solid Samsung track record, having beforehand nailed the Galaxy Note 8 outline and conveyed the main genuine photographs of the Galaxy S8. And following his assumptions, he have shown some of the leaked images of Galaxy S9, which I'm going to share with you. So here are those images. The new assumpted Galaxy S9 is going to have 5.7 inches display, the latest version of Android 7.1 with octa-core process, and as usual with 64 to 128 GB of internal storage. The new Galaxy S9 is also going to have an upgraded GPU LTE modem, the very first to have in the industry, which allows you to download at the speed of 1.2 GB per second, which was not possible on the previous products of the Samsung. Like S8 is hardly able to download at the speed of 1 GB per second, and this is all possible with the upcoming 5G ready inside a Galaxy S9. Also now, when it comes to the display, Samsung has recently mocked over Apple's iPhone X, showing in a commercial that they don't have any plans to make any type of edge into their upcoming Galaxy smartphones, which is clear-cut that the new upcoming Galaxy S9 will have edge-to-edge display. The new Galaxy S9 will definitely have dual cameras because Samsung is also working on the 3D facial ID lock system like Apple iPhone X. The assumed release date for Samsung Galaxy S9 will be at the start of the March 2018. Samsung will go under a colossal wedge in 2018 as Apple at long last fix its iPhone X stock issue. However, it would appear that between the Galaxy S9 and somewhat insane Galaxy X, the organization is up for the battle. So guys, till now we have only that information, but I promised with the passage I'll keep you guys updated with the changes. Do not forget to subscribe my channel if you don't want to miss any of my videos.